Indian Navy Day. Indian Navy Day is celebrated every year on December 4th to commemorate the attack on the Karachi harbor during the Indo-Pak War in 1971. On this day, the Indian Navy's attack on Karachi harbor contributed to the ultimate victory of the Indian Armed Forces over Pakistan, and the operation is called Operation Trident. Operation Trident saw the first use of anti-ship missiles designed for use against ship and large boats in combat in the region. With no casualties on the Indian side, this operation was considered to be one of the most successful in modern naval history post World War II. India carried out the naval assault after Pakistan attacked the Indian air bases on the evening of December 3, 1971. On the night of December 3, 1971, Indian Navy's missile boats INS Nipat, INS Nirghat and INS Veer attacked the Karachi harbor. This attack led to the sinking of Pakistani destroyer Khaibar, minesweeper Muhafiz and MV Venus Challenger. The missile attack also destroyed the Kamari oil fields. Karachi was attacked again on December 7th and 8th from the west and is known as Operation Python. Indian Navy missile boat INS Vinash fired 4 missiles which damaged MV Gulf Star, MV Harmattan and PN tanker Decca. The Indian Navy is the naval branch of the Indian Armed Forces. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Navy. The Chief of Naval Staff CNS, a 4-star Admiral, commands the Navy. The current CNS is Admiral R.Hari. The Maratha Emperor Chhatrapati Shivaji is considered the father of Indian Navy. As of June 2019, Indian Navy has 67,252 active and 75,000 reserve personnel in service. It has a fleet of 150 ships and submarines and 300 aircrafts. The prayer to Lord Varuna, the sea god, in the Vedas was adapted by Indian Navy for its emblem. The motto, Sham no Varunaha, meaning, be auspicious unto us, O Varuna. On Navy Day, various events are organized by the Indian Navy to reach out to the citizens through various mass contact programs. The Indian Navy warships and aircraft are open to visitors, especially school children, every year. Thank you. Hope this video on Indian Navy Day was helpful.